Finding the right portable computer for older adults requires balancing simplicity, readability, and reliability. Choosing the best laptop for seniors means prioritizing clear screens, comfortable keyboards, and straightforward software that minimizes frustration while maximizing everyday usability and digital connection. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. AKCHART M156FH. The AKCHART M156FH presents an appealing option for mature users looking for a generous visual workspace through its expansive 15.6-inch Full HD IPS screen, which delivers crisp text rendering and wide viewing angles that make reading emails and browsing websites much easier on the eyes. Under the hood, a capable Celeron J4105 processor teams up with a generous 12 GB of DDR4 memory and a snappy 256 GB solid-state drive to ensure fluid daily multitasking without annoying lags or stuttering during casual web exploration. One of its standout hardware attributes is the 180-degree lay-flat hinge, allowing family members or caregivers to easily adjust the screen position for comfortable viewing angles or collaborative troubleshooting. Furthermore, the built-in 7,000 mAh battery provides dependable all-day endurance, reducing the anxiety of constantly hunting for wall outlets around the house. Number 2. HP 15.6-inch laptop. The HP 15.6-inch laptop brings a touch of modern interactivity to older users by incorporating a responsive Micro Edge HD touchscreen display, allowing individuals to navigate menus, zoom into photos, and scroll through web pages using natural tap and swipe gestures. Driven by an efficient AMD Ryzen 3 processor and paired with fast 8GB LPDDR5 memory alongside a rapid 256GB NVMe solid-state drive, this machine boots up instantaneously and executes everyday applications with impressive speed and responsiveness. The integrated AMD Radeon graphics engine handles casual media consumption smoothly, ensuring that video streaming and family video chats appear vibrant and clear on the flicker-free screen. Weighing in as a balanced daily driver, it combines dependable processing brawn with impressive energy efficiency to sustain productivity over extended periods without thermal discomfort. Although the display resolution settles at 1366 by 768 pixels rather than full high definition, the visual clarity remains sharp enough for effortless reading and casual web browsing. Number 3. Lenovo IdeaPad 3i Chromebook. The Lenovo IdeaPad 3i Chromebook offers a delightfully straightforward and secure computing experience that is well suited for older adults who primarily want to browse the web, check emails, and stream videos without wrestling with complex system maintenance. Powered by an Intel Celeron N4500 processor and complemented by a vivid 15.6-inch Full HD display, this laptop delivers sharp text clarity and vibrant imagery that make online reading an absolute pleasure. Its streamlined Chrome operating system updates automatically in the background, effectively eliminating intimidating security pop-ups and technical hurdles that often frustrate novice users. Practicality shines through its robust selection of physical ports, including versatile USB-C and standard USB connections, which simplify plugging in external mice, flash drives, or printers. Portability meets endurance thanks to an exceptional battery life that stretches up to 10 hours on a single charge, ensuring the device remains ready for use anywhere in the home without tethering the user to a wall charger. Number 4. Acer Chromebook 315 Laptop. The Acer Chromebook 315 laptop centers its design on user-friendly simplicity and swift daily performance, operating on the streamlined Chrome OS platform, which boots up in mere seconds and maintains its speed over years of use. Boasting a spacious 15.6-inch Full HD IPS screen alongside dual stereo speakers powered by DTS audio, it provides an immersive environment for watching video tutorials, catching up on news, or enjoying movies with clear sound and sharp visuals. Performance is anchored by an Intel Celeron N4500 dual-core processor and 4 GB of LPDDR4X memory, which effortlessly handle everyday web tabs, online banking, and social media browsing. Connectivity is exceptionally swift due to built-in Wi-Fi 6 technology, ensuring stable video calls with distant family members, even on crowded home wireless networks. While the 4 GB memory capacity means it is best kept dedicated to lighter tasks rather than heavy multitasking, the inclusion of Google Play Store access allows users to download familiar Android apps for customized convenience.
Number 5. Samsung 14-inch Galaxy Chromebook Go. The Samsung 14-inch Galaxy Chromebook Go redefines effortless portability for seniors who desire a compact device that feels feather-light on the lap, while offering exceptional resilience against everyday bumps and household drops, thanks to its military-tough craftsmanship. Driven by an impressively durable battery that pushes up to 12 hours of continuous use on a single charge, this slim machine easily outlasts a full day of reading, video calling, and web wandering without requiring a recharge. Network performance is notably swift, utilizing advanced Wi-Fi capabilities to maintain rock-solid internet connections anywhere in the house for seamless streaming and communication. Integration with smartphone ecosystems allows users to effortlessly bridge their mobile devices with the laptop screen, making file sharing and notification management remarkably intuitive. Although the 14-inch screen is slightly more compact than traditional large-format laptops, the trade-off results in a significantly lighter chassis that reduces wrist and arm fatigue during prolonged reading sessions. It operates smoothly within the lightweight Chrome environment, backed by modern AI-driven cloud tools that simplify everyday writing and organization tasks.
Number 6. ASUS Vivobook Go 15.6-inch FHD Slim Laptop. This alternative configuration package centers on a striking 15.6-inch Full HD display featuring balanced brightness and color reproduction, ensuring that text remains legible and images stay vivid across varying indoor lighting conditions. Performance is anchored by a capable AMD Ryzen 3 processor featuring multiple processing cores that effortlessly handle routine multitasking, online shopping, and media playback without breaking a sweat. Coupled with 8 GB of system memory and a responsive 256 GB solid-state drive, the hardware configuration guarantees snappy application launches and ample local storage for personal documents and digital photo libraries. Typing comfort is significantly enhanced by a full-size chiclet keyboard equipped with a dedicated numeric keypad, which proves exceptionally helpful for older users who frequently input numbers or fill out digital forms. The efficient power management system extracts up to 11 hours of battery life from a modest 42 watt-hour battery, minimizing charging downtime throughout the week. While the integrated graphics solution is tailored for daily computing rather than high-end gaming, it renders smooth video playback and crisp visuals for all standard entertainment needs.
Selecting the ideal computer depends heavily on personal preferences regarding screen size, operating system familiarity, and budget constraints. Carefully evaluate these specific features against daily habits to ensure maximum comfort, long-term satisfaction, and seamless digital connectivity tailored precisely to your unique lifestyle requirements.